Elon Musk is finally preparing to take direct aim at Apple, a move he has hinted at for years as he tries to free Tesla from being viewed as merely an electric vehicle manufacturer. There was no chance he would sit quietly while Apple continued to dominate the smartphone world for more than a decade, and that ambition is exactly why the teslapiphone, priced at $789, is rumored to be just weeks away. Musk is claiming that this phone will be tougher, more intelligent, and more capable than the iPhone, while costing nearly half as much. Because of these bold claims, millions of Americans are anxiously refreshing their feeds, waiting to hear the official launch date. According to the latest whispers, Tesla plans to release the Pi phone on December 30th. In true Apple fashion, Tesla is guarding the specs behind a wall of secrecy, but there have been leaks, and those leaks paint a picture that ranges from wildly futuristic to almost unbelievable. One of the biggest claims is that the Tesla Pi phone tosses out the SIM card entirely and eliminates the need for a traditional data plan. Instead, owners will reportedly connect directly to Starlink satellites without paying extra, making it the first smartphone to integrate true satellite-to-device connectivity as a built-in core feature. Even though this sounds almost too good to be real, supplier leaks have added another layer. They say the Pi phone may be one of the most durable smartphones ever created. It's expected to weigh more than an iPhone because of its heavy-duty titanium construction, yet that extra weight may be a reasonable trade-off for a device that could be scratch-resistant, shatter-resistant, extremely rigid, and built to survive impacts that would destroy most phones. Whether every rumor is accurate or exaggerated is still uncertain, but the starting price of $789 is one detail that specialists insist is legitimate. The real question is whether a smartphone that is cheaper, stronger, and more advanced than an iPhone could realistically exist, and if such a device hit the market, whether consumers would immediately consider switching. That's what makes the Tesla Pi phone leaks so fascinating. Tim Cook has repeatedly insisted that no company is capable of challenging Apple's dominance in the smartphone industry because Apple creates experiences that customers cannot find anywhere else. But Musk is betting that Tesla's real-world AI expertise gives them an advantage no phone maker has ever possessed. According to Musk, Tesla will only build a phone if it can genuinely surpass the iPhone. Otherwise, there is no point entering the market. To truly beat Apple, the Pi phone must offer features that iPhone users cannot get anywhere, and Starlink is Tesla's ultimate weapon. If the Pi phone includes a dedicated Starlink chipset, it will become the first mass-market device capable of receiving high-bandwidth satellite internet anywhere on Earth. No towers required. Recent reports claim that Apple actually approached Musk about integrating Starlink technology into the iPhone 18 Pro for a future release. But Musk supposedly rejected the proposal because he wants the Tesla Pi phone to be the exclusive Starlink device. Tesla employees familiar with the project claim the phone will be able to handshake directly with Starlink satellites and maintain enough bandwidth to stream high-quality video even in areas with zero cellular coverage. Starlink currently operates more than 5,000 satellites, covering almost the entire continental United States, and the Pi phone would theoretically leverage that entire constellation. This could allow uninterrupted connectivity during power failures, storms, camping trips, cross-country travel, and emergencies where traditional networks fail. For seniors living on fixed incomes, dropping expensive phone plans could save up to $1,200 a year, while young families could avoid the stress of a lost internet connection disrupting work or school. The durability rumors are just as extreme. Musk reportedly demanded that if Tesla builds a phone, it must be as rugged as a Cybertruck, capable of resisting scratches, high temperatures, impacts, and bending forces that would ruin aluminum-based smartphones. Material leaks claim Tesla has arranged to purchase high-grade titanium normally used in aerospace components, which is nearly 3 times stronger than steel yet surprisingly light. Some insiders claim Tesla tested prototypes by dropping them from 12 meters, and the phone survived with only minor scuffing. Renderings not official but widely circulated suggest a design with smooth curves, a matte fingerprint-resistant back, and rounded corners meant to prevent cracks from accidental falls. For older users or anyone tired of fragile premium phones that require cases and screen protectors, the Pi phone's durability alone could make it appealing. Battery life is another area generating huge excitement. Tesla's experience with electric vehicle batteries gives them a major advantage, and leaks suggest the Pi phone may house a massive 7,000 mAh battery. That's 2,000 more than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and enough to last up to 5 days of continuous heavy use. For people who travel, work long shifts, or simply hate searching for outlets, a battery of this size could be revolutionary. Some speculative rumors even claim Tesla is experimenting with aluminum-ion batteries that charge faster, generate less heat, and degrade far more slowly than lithium-ion options. While this particular rumor remains doubtful, it has fueled massive hype. What is confirmed is that the base 256GB model will cost $789, and the top 1TB version will be about $1,299, still significantly cheaper than Apple's top models. This pricing strategy signals that Musk is not trying to maximize short-term profits. Instead, the Pi phone is designed as the remote control for the broader Tesla ecosystem. It would connect seamlessly with Tesla vehicles, Powerwall systems, solar roofs, Starlink accounts, Optimus robots, and Grok AI. The software, XOS, is built from the ground up, separate from both Android and iOS. Musk claims XOS does not sell user data, does not include hidden tracking, and performs most AI processing locally through Grok Mini, removing dependence on cloud surveillance and middle-layer services such as Google Play or Apple ID. Tesla has also developed its own chip, the X23, featuring an 8-core architecture tuned specifically for XOS and AI applications. Tesla can maintain low prices because it controls so much of its supply chain, from battery factories to chip design to robot-based assembly lines, avoiding the markups that inflate costs for competitors. By launching a new operating system, Tesla is stepping into a dangerous arena dominated by Android and iOS for more than 15 years. Billions of people are deeply attached to their digital habits, and switching ecosystems is notoriously difficult. But Tesla's mission is to eliminate long-standing pain points: expensive data plans, fragile phones, costly repairs, and poor battery life. Everything about the Pi phone is designed to challenge the idea that a smartphone must be expensive or short-lived. Together, the rumored features, breakthrough technologies, and aggressive pricing suggest a major shift in the smartphone industry may be approaching.